My name is Zane McIntyre. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Commission Factory, which is now part of the Awin Group. We started working with Payoneer, I want to say 6 years ago, and it came about because we work with so many publishers globally that we really needed a robust payment distribution solution where borders weren't an issue. Be humble, honest, and authentic. Even though I'm a humble person, or at least I believe I am, I was always taking on too much and becoming overwhelmed, never asking for help when I needed it, which can sometimes be perceived as me not wanting the advice of others and letting ego get in the way of admitting when I need some help, because asking for help may have been a sign of weakness. I was told, you can't do everything, there's not enough hours in the day. Delegate, ask for help, and be honest when times are tough, because the people around you that respect and admire you would gladly step up to offer support. You aren't superhuman. You may be a human that is pretty super, but in the end, we all wake up with the same amount of hours in the day and put our pants on one leg at a time, and it's okay to ask for help. Perspective and making a plan. It's so easy to get bogged down in the day-to-day of our work lives that we can no longer see the big picture or get clarity on what the root cause of our challenges are. We will break when our challenges overwhelm us because we likely lose our perspectives. So I've always found it's okay to get upset or feel the hurts of your company. It means you care. But equally, it's absolutely necessary to step back from it all, think about your challenge in a silo, and plan in your mind or on paper how you intend to rise to it or solve it. Success for me is about the legacy I will leave behind. Did I create or build something great that will outlast me or my tenure? Did I mentor and grow people within the company so they too can have a taste of success in their careers or their own businesses? Success for me is not just what I have achieved, but the radius of success and learnings I created around me. It's my small piece of the world that I hope I've left in a better place than when I found it. Resilience is key because no business venture is easy. It's a lot of hard work, but you can make it easier having an amazing team around you that you've clearly articulated the vision of where you're going. Without the vision and the buy-in of everyone, you can't get to your destination. Our business is at a crossroads of marketing, advertising, and a SaaS solution. So we see a broad spectrum of threats and equally opportunities. But the biggest threat to the entire online ecosystem is how it is funded. I think most people recognize that if a service is free, then you're the product. Facebook, for example, doesn't require you to pay a fee because it's funded by advertising spend. But with the recent changes to smartphone operating systems, browsers, etc., the ability to target your audience with relevant advertising is becoming much harder as privacy has come to the forefront. Even for companies such as ourselves working in the affiliate and performance marketing ecosystem, which is extremely data light, there will be an impact on the partners and publishers we work with. These are short-term challenges, and if we're correctly listening to what the market is saying, then we can hear them saying they want even greater privacy and anonymity on the internet, even when our privacy, rights, and anonymity is continuously under threat from government legislation that want to expose more of what we do online. Our industry and those adjacent to us will heed this trend of privacy and discover new ways and compromise that still allow a free and democratic internet to operate, just in a more privacy-conscious way. There is no single solution that truly exists here. It's a game of whack-a-mole in competing interests. So the only thing that we can do right now is be aware of what's happening and why it's happening, and industry leaders having a seat at the table to discuss where compromise and solution can be found.